proud of y'all.
Yeah, you see, I could just say all Americans sound like this, you know.
Oh my god, that's totes how I sound. We do
Absolutely,
sound
everybody.
like that.
Howdy, y'all. I'm Shikaku Shiori, and you're in the library.
Oh god, that's such a good voice of me.
I know it is. I want to use it more.
Yes, yes. What does your girl voice sound like, unless that is your girl voice?
It's exactly the same. You know it.
Can you strangle me now? Yes, I can strangle you.
What if I strangled you instead and sealed the divorce? Would that work? Because I sound exactly like Shikaku, you know. You can't tell the difference.
I can't tell the difference.
I'll end the shuffling for you.